Hi, this is Gavin from Intel, from the Intel Unite team, and we're here today to show you Intel Unite in the conference room. So we have a couple of machines here. It's a really simple solution to join a session in the meeting room wirelessly. So I click on Present. So I can share a screen here. This device here as well, so I can do 4 devices per screen, so really easy to share content. When I'm in the meeting, I can do things like annotate on the screen. I can manage the audio from the system that's connected. What I can also do is come to the screen here. If I just stop presenting there. I've also got full control, so I can do things like join a UC call. So we've currently got Skype for Business calls set up, so I can join that dead easily, just one touch, which connects the audio and video. What I've also got here is full touch control from the screen itself. So I can come up, do things like whiteboard, so we've got full integration with plugins such as whiteboarding. So it's a really easy solution to bring the whole conference products together in one single space.